In this video, we will be fixing a wobbly weight jack. A quick inspection showed a loose bearing. The first step is to remove the locking nut with a wrench and a large breaker bar. An impact makes quick work of the locking nut. The UMI weight jacks feature a thrust bearing, but the issue is the washer that UMI used is smaller than the rod shank, so the bearing can't be tightened enough. That slop is causing my weight jack to wobble. The fix is simply enlarging the inside diameter of the washer. I used a ghetto method of mounting the washer on my wood lathe and then using a carbide burr to grind down the inside diameter. Use a caliper to check how much material needs to be removed. After grinding, use a deburr tool to remove any sharp edges. The washer now fits snugly on the shank. Now we are ready to reassemble the weight jack. Install the rod, the bearing, and the locking nut. Use a good amount of Loctite on the threads before tightening down the nut. Torque down the nut, and then check and see if the bearing still spins. The wobble is now completely eliminated. I hope you enjoyed this quick video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram for behind the scenes updates.